Started doing this in 2002 on 9/11. Do it on all the holidays, and the reason for this is to take our country to the men and women overseas and let them know that we appreciate what they do, just to show our support for all the veterans and the active military.
As being a vet myself and helping other vets out, and it just shows our support for the veterans that's in there now, and our military, and also our police and everyone else.
My dad's a Marine, you know, so I grew up with this. This is how I say thank you. I respect my military, and I feel like they don't get enough appreciation. It's like they're gone almost all the time. They never get to see their families. I just want to say Happy Veterans Day to all my military, first responders, family, and friends. Y'all be safe and know we love y'all.